Hello! If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects and ideas. Don't forget to always use proper PPE. Better safe than sorry. On this project we're going to be making a sliding gate with a swing door. Let's start by cutting the material for the frame and trim ends at 45-degree angle. Continue by connecting the frame pieces using a speed square. Using scrap material, I made a jig to speed up the process welding the upright pickets. This jig will help to center the upright pickets to the top and bottom rails. And it will also give me a 4-inch space between pickets, which is the recommended space for security reasons. Place the jig on one side of the gate to begin tacking the pickets. Remember not to complete weld the pickets at once. This will create overheating and might cause gate frame to warp. Repeat the same steps until you're done tacking the upright pickets. Then flip the gate and complete the welding process. The jig really work out speeding up the process and keeping pickets at same distance. Mark 8 inches from both ends of the gate. Align and weld the V-casters to sliding gate. I am using 4-inch wheels. Now it's time to build the frame for the swing door. Repeat the same steps, cutting the material to size and trim edges at 45 degrees. Weld the frame and install the upright pickets using the same jig we use on the gate. Finish one side, then continue to do the other side. This is a better look. You can appreciate more the use of the jig. Now, using scrap leftover material from the gate, place the lock on a workbench or floor and align pieces to work around lock mechanism. Mark pieces and trim edges at 45 degrees. Place all the pieces around the lock to make sure you have the right measurements. Now you can tack all the pieces and test the lock. If everything looks good, continue by complete welding all pieces together. We just finished making a notch for the lock system, looking something like this. Next, install and align the notch to the inside of the door frame. Once the notch is complete welded, make a mark on the inside of the notch. Using a cutting wheel, remove the centerpiece. Trim the edges and test the lock one more time. Install the door hinges and weld them on place. Now install swivel caster wheel to the swing door. I pour the concrete section along existing fence a few days before. Then I use 3/8 concrete anchors by 4 inches long to secure the gate runner V-rail. This is the final look of the complete gate and swing door combo installation. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for new projects.